Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign into the Messenger app on your smartphone device. So once you've downloaded the Messenger app from the Google Play Store, just go ahead and you'll be navigated over to a page that looks like this. You can select either create new account at the bottom, or you can use your Facebook login credentials and then just enter them in up here and select login. You want to select either save to save your login info, or you can select not now if you do not want to save that. And then you can turn on phone contacts for Messenger if you want to do that. Otherwise, you're just going to select no. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.